Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10, 6th lesson, triangles lesson, exercise 6.3, second question we will do. See here, in the figure 2.35, in this diagram, ODC means this triangle, similar to OBA. So this triangle, ODC triangle, this triangle, both are similar triangles. Again is given the measurement BOC, how much degree? 125 degree. And CDO 70 degree. So now we have to find DOC. Where is there C? DOC. So this angle we have to find. Here I am giving the name one. This angle DOC we have to find. Next again we will find DCO. Where is there C, Baba? DCO. This angle we have to find. This angle 2 I am writing. Next OAB. This angle we will find. Here I am writing 3 I am writing. This angle. These 3 angles we have to find. Okay. See here. Now we will start. See here diagram I am drawing. See here. In this one, this angle is given 70 degree. Okay, here I will explain. Carefully listen. This angle is given 70 degree. And BOD, how much? BOD. Where is there BOD? BOC, sorry. BOC. This is C is there. This is D is there. Okay. Okay. BOC. How much degree given? E is given. This is 125 degree. And next this is 70 degree given. Which one 70 degree given? CDO. This is the 70 degree. Now we will find this angle. Carefully observe this one. Here what is the chances are there? First I will explain. See here, this is the C, this is the D, this is the 70 degree. So now we will find this angle. This angle we will find, this angle we will find, this angle we will find. So here this angle finding, what is the chances there? Means here linear pair is there. Linear pair meaning what? One straight line is there. Means see here, it will divide 2 parts. This is the linear pair. So these 2 angles sum how much degree? 180 degree. So now you observe means this is a straight line. In this one, this is a linear pair. So this is 125 degrees there. So now we will find this angle, this angle finding. So this angle plus this angle, how much degree? 180 degree. So first we will use linear pair and we will find the first angle. Okay. See here, now I am starting. See here, angle, try to understand better. Angle BOC. Middle one is the angle. Angle BOC plus angle COD. How much degree? 180 degree. See here. BOC, COD. Straight line like this line came means this is called linear pair. This linear pair how much degree means 180 degree. So BOC plus COD. How much degree? 180 degree. You can write a linear pair. Linear pair sum how much degree? 180 degree. So BOC how much is there? 125 degrees there. Write it 125 degree. Plus angle COD don't know is equal to 180 degree. Angle COD is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. Okay, 180 minus 125. Angle COD is equal to how much you will get? 5. Here 7 remains. 7 minus 2, 5. 55 degree. So this angle 1 is the 55 degree. One answer you got. Okay. Now you have to find which one. This angle, one angle is how much degree? 55 degree. COD, DOC or COD, anyone. This angle, one answer you got. Now you can observe here. See here. This angle you have to find. This angle you find means you know already 2 angles. This is 55, this is 70, this one you can find. Any triangle is there. We can use this triangle. Any triangle you know the 2 angles means third angle easily we can find. So now carefully listen. I am taking triangle DOC triangle. Which triangle I am taking? Triangle DOC. In triangle DOC. Triangle DOC means angle D plus angle O plus angle C. Both angles, 3 angles sum how much degree? 180 degree. What is the reason? angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property means 3 angles is total 180 degree. Angle sum property. You can write, mention, name also you can mention it. Angle D, angle O, angle C. 3 angles is how much degree? 180 degree. Already is given. D how much degree? 70 degree. You observe here, D how much degree is there? 70 degree. So D you can write 70 degree. Now this one angle, just now we find it. How much degree is there? 55 degrees there. So this one angle, O angle, how much degree is there? 55 degrees there. Now you have to find angle C. Angle C you have to find is equal to 180 degree. 70, 80, 90, 100, 125 degree. 125 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now you can write angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. So angle C is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. So C is the 50 degree. C means what is given? C means DCO. DCO. So now you can write like this one. Angle DCO also you can write angle C. DCO. Okay. Angle DCO. Angle C means what is this? This is angle DCO. How much degree is there? 55 degree. So this second answer also, how much is there? 55 degree. This is how much is there? This is also 55 degree. Second answer also 55 degree. Now you got 2 answers. Next, you have to find third angle. This is the third angle. This angle you have to find. See beta. ODC. In question you observe, from question only we will take. ODC similar to OBA. OBA. See, now can use C similar, what is there? A. You observe here. C similar, what is there? A. O similar, O. D similar, B. C similar, A. Now we want A. So C similar, A. So C is 65 degrees. There means A also 65 degree. Angle C is equal to angle A is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. A means he is given in the question what? OAB. See, now we can write OAB. So this angle we can write angle OAB is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. This is the answer. See here, O similar O. O how much is there? No, this also same. Next, D similar B. D similar B. This also same. C similar A. Is asking only A. So we can write angle C similar to angle A. So both are 55 degree. So OAB. How much degree? 55 degree. This is the answer. Okay. Are you clear? I think. Here see beta. Once again not understood me sir. See here. A finding, first answer finding you will use linear pair. Linear pair means this is the 55 degree. Next here we will use angle sum property. 70 degree, 55 degree. So 70 plus 55 you will get 125. So 180 minus 125 you will get this. Angle 2 is the 55 degree. Next we will use what? These two triangles are similar triangles. C similar what? A. C 55 degree means A also 55 degree. So corresponding angles you can write it. This is the first answer. Okay. Now third question. See diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. ABCD one trapezium. AC and BD are the diagonals. Next, with parallel ABCD is a parallel. ABCD is a parallel. These two are parallel lines. These two are non-parallel. So AB parallel to CD. Intersect each other at O. These all intersecting. These two intersecting each other at O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, we have to prove what? OA by OC equal to OB by OD. We have to prove. This is the question. See here once again I will repeat what is the question is there. ABCD is a trapezium. In this trapezium, AC and BD are the diagonals. And what are the parallel lines? AB parallel to CD. Next, now we have to prove what? OA by OC equal to OB by OD. We will use any similar criteria. Criteria, how many are there? Similar triangles. 3 criteria are there. What are the 3 criteria? Angle criteria, and side criteria, and third one is a side angle side criteria. Any one criteria we will use and we will prove this proportional. We have to prove. This is the question. See here chance what is there means, see here these two are parallel lines. See here these two triangles we can prove similar triangles, means we can take sides are the proportional. Okay. Now see here which triangle I am taking. See here these two are parallel is there, so parallel side triangles I am taking. Parallel side triangles, what is there? This is AOB triangle and DOC triangle. Non-parallel don't take. These two triangles we can't take. So this side parallel is there. AB parallel to CD is there. AB parallel to CD is there, means this parallel side triangles I am taking. Which triangle I am taking? AOB triangle and DOC triangle. Okay. This triangle AOB triangle and COD triangle I am taking. See here, AOB triangle and COD triangle. These two triangles taking means, see here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See here, why angle 1 is equal to angle 2? I will explain. See here I am taking one this like this. Names also I will take A, B, C, D. Next, sorry, AC, BD. AC, this is the AC, this is the BD. Okay, here O I am taking. Okay, see here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 we can take. Why we will take? Carefully listen. See here, two parallel lines is there. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. See here, this angle equal to this angle. Why means alternate angles are equal. Alternate interior angles you will get. See here, these two are alternate angles, inside is there, so alternate interior angles. These two angles are equal. So now angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So now I am writing angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. Okay. Next, see here, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These two are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. What is the reason? Same reason. See here, two parallel lines cut by a transversal. See here, this angle equal to this angle. Next, this angle equal to this angle. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Parallel lines transversal. So alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Next, here see, angle O equal to angle O. These two also equal. Why means here I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Here I am giving angle 5, angle 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Everyone know this is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So here 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 6. Here which criteria is there? Angle criteria is there. Which criteria is there? Angle criteria we are used. So which criteria we used? Angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Which triangles? AOB similar to COD. So triangle AOB similar to COD. These two triangles we proved similar triangles. Which criteria we are using? Angle criteria to these two triangles are similar. So now he asked what? OA and OC. See here. Here you observe OA and OC. See here, we can take similar triangles is there, means we can take sides proportional. See here, OA by OC is equal to, is asked what again? OB equal to OD. See here, OB equal to, we can take OB by OD we can take. See here, this one we proved similar triangles. Which criteria are you using? Angle criteria using means similar triangle we proved. So now you write OAB similar to COD. Both are similar. Similar means I am taking side proportional. He asked this one proportional. So we will take see here, OA by OC. Okay. Next he asked what? OB by OD. So proved. Okay, so this is side proportional. We have to first we will prove similar triangles. Next we can write proportional. We can write means finished. So this is the fairness here. Alternate angles, 1, 2 alternate angles, 3, 4 alternate interior angles. Here we will take this is the 5 angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. What is the result? Vertically opposite angles. So these two triangles are similar triangles. Which is criteria? Angle similarity criteria. So now you can write OA by OC. OB by OD. See here. OA by OC. OB by OD. Finished. This is the fair notes. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.